Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily see the remaining storage available on your Apple iPhone. So in order to begin, what you'll have to do is open a settings application. Once you're in the settings application, you have to scroll down and find the option general. As you can see, I have seen the option general, it's right here. So it might be in different position for according to your iOS version. So for me it's here. I can just click on it, and now you can see an option iPhone storage. You can find it anywhere over here. So once you find that, you have to click on it, and now you can see how much of the data is being used by which applications, like if it's photos or videos or anything. And you can see for me I have like around 10 GBs of free space. So that's how you can easily check how much of free space is left on your iPhone. So that's it for today's video, guys. So if you found this video informative, if yes, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.